Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are doing well at your homes. This is Mujahid Hussain, and today we are going to learn about search files and folders. We can use different methods for different situations for finding the folders or files. So in this lecture you will know the procedure for searching files and folders and using different methods. So this is our content list in which we will discuss about finding files and folders, that what is actually finding files and folders, then methods for finding files and folders, use of search box, finding files and folders using start button, finding known files and folders while using Windows operating system. So let's know about finding files and folders. Finding files and folders means searching for a specific folder or files in a computer which are already stored in your operating system or in your any drive. Windows provides several ways to find files and folders, which we will discuss in this lecture. Methods for finding files and folders. First of all, using the search box on the start button. The search box on the start menu is used to find files, folders, programs and email messages stored on computer. Means whatever the data which is stored in your computer that can be searched by using search box. Using search box in a file, folder or library. If you have a drive and inside that drive you have different folders or there is a library, then you can also search any file, folder or library from that specific file, folder or library. The search box filters the current view based on the text that is typed. Means whatever the text you will type in the search box, that will related to that text or name or content, the file will be appeared on your search on your page or on the window. The search looks for text in the file name and contents and in the file properties such as in text. In a library, the search includes all folders included in the library as well as subfolders within those folders. Expanding a search beyond a specific library or folder, if it cannot find what is looking for, it is in a specific library or folder, then expand the search to include different locations as well. Like you have stored any file or any folder in any drive or any file you have stored in any folder, but you forgot that where you have stored that file and folder. So you can include other folders or other drives and then you can start searching, then you will find out that file which is missing. Use of search box to find file, folder and programs. That in now we will know that how can we use search box for finding file, folders and programs. To the search box is one of the most convenient ways to find things on computer which are already stored. The search box finds programs and all the folders in personal folder, which includes document, pictures, music, desktop and other common locations. It will also search email messages, saved instant messages, appointment and contact etc. saved in computer. Whatever the data which you have stored inside the computer, that will be searched by search box. How to use search box? Open the start menu and start typing. A program, file or folder will appear as a search result if any word in its title matches or begins with the search term, any text in the actual contents of the file, such as the text in a word processing document, matches or begins with the search term, any word in a property of the file, such as the author, matches or begins with the search term. Click any search result to open it. Whatever the word, whatever the keyword you will write in the search box, that will appear, and then after the result you can click on any of your choice, that will be open. So finding known files and folders. Now if you are knowing that my file is available in this folder, so you can also use search box tool that is inside the Windows. Using the search box in a folder library, to save time and effort, use the search box at the top of the open window. When looking for a file that someone knows is in a particular folder or library, such as documents or pictures, type a word or part of word in the search box. When done, then contents of the folder or library are filtered to reflect each successive character type. When the wanted file is seen, stop typing or filter it with the other checks, that is date, author, size, etc. To save time and effort, use the search box at the top of the open window. Okay, now we are going to perform these all things while using search box. So it is our search box. Now start menu, start button. So now, for suppose I am going to write here notes, like note. When I type note, you can see here I have typed note. So I have different best matches are available, like Notepad, Notepad plus plus, sticky notes, Note 1, and you can see also notification privacy, notify me if they are. So these are the different searches which are came through my keywords or my search terms. And now we are going, like this is our window tab. We are in my computer, and now I'm going to end books. Now if I have to search anything, like in IBA, if I want to search student name or like slides, then you can see slides are available, and other slides are also available which are matches to my this keyword. So it's your search box tool. So in this way you can use your start button. This is the start button. If you want to write down here, then you can also search from here. And this is your search tools. So you can use search tool for finding your file and make your work easier and quick. Now this lecture ends here, and is there any question, any query, then ask. I am available for you guys. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.